Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter presentation of data, that is frequency curve. The frequency curve, it is a just variant of polygon. Frequency curve is a curve which plotted by joining the midpoint of all the top of the histogram by freehand smooth curve and not by straight line. Area of frequency curve is equal to the area of histogram or frequency polygon of a given data set. While drawing a frequency curve, we should eliminate the equality of the polygon. According to the point of frequency, polygon are joined through the freehand smooth curve rather than the straight line. The basic difference between the frequency polygon and frequency curve, both frequency polygon and frequency curve are drawn by joining the midpoint of all the top of histogram. But in case of frequency polygon, the points are joined using the foot tool to make a straight line, whereas in case of frequency curve, the points are joined using the free hand. Now take the one example. Here the data are is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. And their number of resident, that is frequency 150, 300, 500, 800, 1900, 400 and 100. You have to make the frequency curve. The given data set first converted into the histogram. Midpoint of the top of the rectangular histogram are marked. These points are joined through the freehand smooth curve on the. You can see that how can be a frequency curve can be drawn. It is the same like a frequency polygon, but the basic difference is that the midpoint are joined by the free hand. Next, OGIF curve. The OGIF or cumulative frequency curve is the curve which is constructed by the plotted the cumulative frequency data on the graph paper in the form of smooth curve. And the cumulative frequency curve or OGIF may be considered two way, less than method and more than method. In this less than method, from beginning from the upper limit of the first class interval, we go to the adding of the frequency corresponding to the every next upper limit of the series. And in the more than method, in this method we take the cumulative total of the frequency beginning with the lower limit of the first class interval in a series showing 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and difference class interval. We find frequency of more than is 0 for the more than 5. The frequency thus presented make a more than OGIF curve. The basic difference between the less than and more than OGIF curve is that in the less than omega frequency are adding starting up from the upper limit of the class interval first class interval in the frequency distribution. On the other hand, in case of the more than omega frequency are added starting from the lower limit of the class interval of the frequency distribution. According while case in the less than omega cumulative total tend to be increased, and in case of more than omega cumulative total tend to be a decrease. Thank you.